In this video I'm going to show you how to download Grand Theft Auto 4 on your PC. If you buy games at Steam, it can get really expensive, especially the latest ones, plus downloading from random websites can lead to viruses and nobody wants that. But don't worry, in this video I will show you how to find these great games without overspending and keeping your PC safe. The first step is open your Google browser. Now, before we start, I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Once you have done that, we need to locate this game first at Steam before we can proceed to another website. So go to Steam, click on the link, and after that search for Grand Theft Auto 4. As you can see, it's over here. We will scroll a little bit down. And this game starts at €19.99, but we got a little workaround for that. So follow these steps and you will be set up within a couple of minutes. What you need to do is open the video description, click on the link where it says find game here, and you will be redirected to this site. Now search for the same game over here, and after that select games on the left side. Now sort by price lowest first. Once you have done that, the game will appear, and as you can see, we can download this game through the Rockstar launcher. And now as you can see, we can download this game through the Rockstar launcher. Watch if this text is marked green, because then it is activatable in your country. And as you can see, this price already starts at €8.41 instead of €19.99. So that is a big difference. And this is how you basically save a lot of money while downloading games online. Now, the first step is to buy this game on this website. Once you have done that, you will receive an email confirmation with an activation key for the Rockstar Game Launcher. And then you can activate the game through Rockstar Game Launcher. And you will save yourself a lot of money while downloading this game. I hope these tips were helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!